Hi, in this video we will see what is method reference to a static method. For that we will see few code samples. We will create a write an interface inside this lambda demo project. So inside the com.training package we will create one interface. Okay, so let us create an interface I convert. This interface has one method convert, and it takes a string as a parameter, and it will return a string. Okay, so we will write this code now. So in this interface let us write a method public string convert. It takes string as a parameter. So obviously it's a functional interface because it is having only one abstract method. So it is a functional interface because functional interface definition is an interface which contains only one abstract method is called functional interface. So now we will write one class. The name of the class is string str converter. Okay, str converter. It has it has one method. Okay, it has one method which is a static method, right? Which is a static method. Fine. So we'll write that method public static return string. Method name is change text. This method takes a string as a parameter, and inside the method we will call to uppercase method s dot to uppercase. Okay. So this the text will be converted into uppercase. So when this method is called, whenever this method is called, and when we pass a string to this method, it will convert that text or the string into uppercase and it will return it. So that's what this method does. Okay, this is the method we are having inside this class str converter. It is a static method. Okay, so now we can go to the main class, and inside the main class we will include, or we will introduce a static method, and that method takes a string. So we will have one static method here, public static. It will return a string. The method name is do it, and this method parameter is of type functional interface that already we have created, that is iConvert. So we have a functional interface called iConvert. So this method inside the main class, the static method do it, has the first parameter type as this iConvert. So second parameter is of type string, and inside this static method what we do is we will call return. We will call the uh, IC dot the functional interface method convert. Okay, so now inside the main method, inside the main method of this class, what we do is we can call the do it method. Okay, we can call the do it method because it's a static method. We can call the static method inside the another static method. Main is a static method. We can call the do it method inside this main method. So do it. So we will return we will call the method do it method inside the main method do it, and we pass the now we pass the arguments to this do it method. We need to pass two arguments to this do it method. One argument of type the functional interface I convert, another argument is a string. Here is the concept that we are going to discuss, we are going to explain, come into picture, that is the method reference. So here we can pass inside the do it method as a first argument, we can pass a method reference to a static method if that static method is compatible with the functional interface. Which functional interface? The do it method first parameter type. Do it method's first parameter type is a functional interface, and we can pass a method reference to a static method as an argument to this do it method if that method reference static method is compatible with the functional interface, that functional interface. So here, see, we have the str converter class. It has a static method change text, and this change text method is compatible with the iConvert functional interface abstract method because the change text also takes as a string as a parameter and it will return a string. In the iConverter also, iConvert method also, abstract method also having the string as a parameter and it returns the string. So both are compatible. So this str converter's change text method is compatible with that functional interface. So we can pass the method reference to the str converter's change text method. So how to do that? We can pass this way: str converter. We have to use double colon, then the name of that static method. What is that name? Change text. Okay, comma, what string we want to pass? We want to pass here string. I pass ram. Okay. So now what we can do is we can print the value returned by this do it method, and we are assigning this value to this yes. So we can pass it. System dot print simply print the value stored inside the variable yes. Okay, so now this is the concept of method reference to a static method. Okay, so let us run this code and see the output now. So now see the output ram is converted into uppercase because we are calling the change text method. We are passing the change text method reference to the change text to the do it method, and do it method inside call the convert method. So internally it is calling actually the change text method, and the ram is converted into uppercase. So that is how we have written here. Okay, so this is called method reference to static method. So how to pass a method reference to static method as a argument to a method. So this is how we can